We're going to serve it with some whipped butter, so as you can see it's really, really soft, and we're going to do a generous helping all across the top.
Light up the tea on fire and cover it.
I've chosen a gin that's from Glendalough, exactly where the venison is from.
So we're lighting our tea on fire.
Until it's nice and pale.
And a really big restaurant technique is just tipping it down and spooning over some of that butter.
Hello, my name is Daniel Hannigan.
Hi, my name is Alison Tierney.
Hi, my name is Kevin Dunnan.
Hi, my name is Kerry Harvey.
If you wanted, you could add your dried seaweed exactly as it was into some whipped butter instead.
You can always add spices, I suppose coriander seeds, cumin seeds.
There's no reason that you can't make it your own. You know, for example, you could look at what meat is available in your area. I really can't put enough importance on the fact that you should really utilise the other community members on the platform here. There's so much knowledge to be had out there, and even sometimes, you know, throwing another idea around can transform yours in just a couple of sentences.